Hello! In this tutorial, we will experiment with positions and movements, how to create them, and how to mix them. First, create an auto loop. Add intensity and color to the master track. Create a position folder and your first position. Set each fixture in the position you want. Now duplicate the same position. Keep duplicating it until you get a similar color, then delete the rest. Move the fixtures to the desired position, apply the changes, rename the position, and move it to the folder. Repeat the process as many times as you want. For this tutorial, we will use only 5 positions. Add the positions to the master track. Keep in mind that you should always start and finish with the same position for smoother movement. Play the auto loop to preview the movement and adjust the positions as needed for optimal alignment. For a more complex movement, select the movement track, choose 8 bars, apply a circle effect, and set the size and speed, 5%. Now select the next 8 bars and apply the same movement in reverse, using the same settings. For even more complex movements, you can add movement overrides to each fixture and arrange the positions in a different pattern. Always set the same position at the start and end of the auto loop. You can also add other movements that SoundSwitch offers. Keep in mind that the track should have the same movement going forward and in reverse for smoother action. Here are some sweet spots for the speed settings and the movements SoundSwitch offers, so you get smooth motion every time. Keep in mind that you should use the same movement going forward and reverse on the same fixture or master track. Recommended speeds are 5%, 35%, 65%, 85%, and 95%. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and remember to like and follow for more tutorials.